Students, now I am going to discuss the question number C of exercise 6.5. Compare the fractions and put greater than or less than symbol in the circle. See the first one. Let us compare the fractions 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. They are like fractions as they are having same denominator. In like fraction we compare the numerators only. And we know that greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Hence, here fraction 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4 as the numerator 3 is greater than 2. Now see the second. Let us compare 7 by 8 and 0 by 8. Again they are like fraction, so we compare the numerator only. Numerator 7 is greater than 0, right? Hence the fraction 7 by 8 is greater than 0 by 8. Now third one. Let us compare 1 by 9 and 3 by 9. Again 1 by 9 and 3 by 9 are like fractions as they are having same denominator. So we compare the numerators only. Numerator is 1 on the left hand side and it is 3 on the right hand side. As we know that 1 is smaller than 3, hence the fraction 1 by 9 is smaller than 3 by 9. And now the last one. The fractions are 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, which are again like fractions. So we compare the numerator. Here numerator 1 is smaller than 3. Hence, fraction 1 by 2 is also smaller than 3 by 2. Likewise, you can compare the remaining fractions given in your textbook. Now coming to the question number D, write the following fractions in descending order. Children, what do you mean by descending order? Descending order means decreasing order, where we can arrange the number or fraction from greatest to smallest. So while writing the descending order, first of all we need to write down greatest fraction. And which one is the greatest fraction among all? You can see here 4 fractions are given to us and all these 4 fractions are like fractions as they are having same denominator. In like fraction we compare the numerator only and we know that greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Similarly, we can say that smaller the numerator, smaller the fraction. Now, among all these fractions, which one is the greater? 8 by 8. Yes, why? Because 8 by 8 is having greater numerator than the others. Hence, here you can see first of all I have written the fraction 8 by 8. After that I have written 7 by 8, then 3 by 8 and then lastly it is 1 by 8. So this is the descending order of the given fractions. Similarly, you can arrange these fractions in descending order as well. Again, these fractions are like fractions. So we arrange these in descending order as per the numerators. Greater the numerator, greater will be the fraction. Now here, numerator 5 is greater, so this fraction will come first, 5 by 6. After that, 4 is greater, so 4 by 6 come at the second. Then it is 2, so 2 by 6 come at the third. And lastly, we can write the fraction 1 by 6 as 1 by 6 is having smallest numerator. So 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6 is the descending order of the given fractions. And now taken lastly. The fractions are 9 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 10 and 10 by 10. Again all these fractions are like fractions, right? Now which is the greatest fraction? The greatest fraction is 10 by 10 since this fraction is having greater numerator among all. So first I have written 10 by 10, then 9 by 10 will come, after that 7 by 10 will come and then lastly 3 by 10 will come. So this is the descending order of the given fractions. In this way you can arrange the fractions and specially like fractions in ascending as well as descending order